Hey, so if VLC is not saving settings on Windows, yeah, like you change a setting, but it resets after closing the app, that can be really frustrating. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix it. First, try running VLC as administrator. I mean, without permissions, it may not save changes properly. Next, yeah, make sure VLC installation folders aren't set to read-only. That can stop settings from saving. Now, corrupted settings can cause this issue. Resetting VLC preferences can fix it instantly. Yeah, make sure VLC is updated. Older versions sometimes fail to save configuration changes properly. Now, VLC saves settings in your user profile. If permissions are restricted, changes won't be saved. Yeah, sometimes antivirus software blocks VLC from writing configuration files. Try disabling it temporarily. Now, deleting the VLC configuration file forces it to rebuild fresh settings. Yeah, if nothing works, reinstall VLC. This fixes broken configuration and restores default saving behavior. So yeah, that's how you fix VLC not saving settings on Windows. Most of the time, it's permissions, corrupted config files, or antivirus restrictions. Try these steps and your settings should save properly again. Thanks for watching.